Hey, so everybody's been asking me how did I install my new shadow lights in my Mercedes. And what I did, I decided to make a video. So I went back to the original light. I put the original light back in so I can show you just how easy and simple it is to take it out. I'll show you the original light is back in. And of course you see no Mercedes logo shining on the ground. Now, just as a disclaimer, it's simple and easy if you have the right light. You cannot just have any shadow light. There are some that can stick on the side of the door panel or along this area. Those I'm not sure how easy those are to install. I'm not sure how easy those are to attach. I have some for my Toyota Camry, but I have not put them on yet. I purchased the actual manufacturer style shadow lights that was made for Mercedes-Benz. I have a Mercedes-Benz S550, S-Class S550, but this particular light will not just work for S550, but it will work for several others. So I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to replace the original, the factory light with the new shadow light that's made for Mercedes-Benz. Not the stick-on kind, but the actual shadow light, which is a simple plug and play. And I'll show you some how to add this extra dopeness to your Benz in less than a minute. You need a simple flathead screwdriver, a little small one, nothing major at all. If you have something that's about the size, a little smaller, that can get the job done, hey, by all means. I'm on the driver's side door panel. The light is right under here. You take the flathead, you find the groove, and you pop it out. I'm gonna have to edit this video. And what you do, you take that little piece out like that. You could do with your hands. And you simply plug in. Plug it in. You pop it back in. It's done. And just like that, bam. Extra dopeness. That's hotness. That's dope. I'll turn off the light so you can see it in the lights. Oh! Alright folks, I'm out. But that's how you do it. Less than a minute.